Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast. If you're using an iPhone, you're facing the issue that your battery is draining very fast. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply go to your settings app and you go to general, go to software update. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your software. If you want, just try to update your software. Once you've updated your software, just go back and you can try to disable your location services. So scroll down, look for privacy and security, select location services and try to disable this from here. Once you have disabled your location services, you have to go back and here I have to go to battery section, select battery health, and you just have to make sure that your battery health is normal and maximum capacity of your battery is more than 80 or 85%, because sometimes it might be that your battery health is too weak or lower than 80%, so your battery is unable to use anymore. So I recommend you have to try to exchange it with an original iPhone battery. So once you have exchanged your battery, you will not get issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issues, you can try to enable low power mode. Just have on power mode here. Try to enable low power mode, so it will help you to get better battery life. Then you go back and here go to general, go to background app refresh, and you can disable background app refresh of your apps from here. If your power mode has been already enabled, so your background app refresh will be already enabled. So just go back from here. And you can also try to disable all the unnecessary connections from here. It might be your auto lock or your Bluetooth. So if you might be, so you can try to disable the Wi-Fi instead. So once you have done, just go back and here go to display and brightness. You can try to select dark theme from here to get extended battery life. Or you can also try to disable motion or reduce motion of your iPhone to go to accessibility. Select motion and select or enable the toggle to reduce your iPhone motion. So these settings will help you to get extended battery life. So in this way, you can easily fix your iPhone battery draining issues. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.